They been trying to take it, I said no way. Dawg, this ain't a game, nah, I don't play. You can tell my fan that I'm okay. I just got a juice like I'm OJ. They been trying to take it, I said no way. Dawg, this ain't a game, nah, I don't play. You can tell my fan that I'm okay. I just got a juice like I'm OJ. Okay, they don't got what it take to win. I've been blowing up, but I'm staying with my kin. Same people hate it, now they tryna be my friends. They just want some club, shawty, come and get some mans. Keep it on the low, just like an 808. I done see too many people pay for plays. That ain't in my blood, that's why I made a way. Need a private jet, I don't want layaways. That's right, that's all I wanted in my life. For my guys, no lie, feel like Jordan on the mic. Alright, I do better all alone, yeah. Dog, you owe me, better pay up what you owe, yeah. Doing fine, but I keep that on the low, yeah. If they want me, need a couple for the show, yeah. If they hit my phone, all they get's a tone, yeah. They been trying to take it, I said no way. Dawg, this ain't a game, nah, I don't play. You can tell my fan that I'm okay. I just got a juice like I'm OJ. They been trying to take it, I said no way. Dawg, this ain't a game, nah, I don't play. You can tell my fan that I'm okay. I just got a juice like I'm OJ.
I've been rolling perp up all day. I ain't never gave a fuck what the label say. Be my own boss.